So in this video, I'm going to start the basics of row column, okay, Excel basic. So let us know what is row, what is column and what is it required for. So if you can see in the top, alright, top of this Excel document, by the way, this entire thing is called document, okay, or you can call it as a sheet, sheet 1 if you see below, this is a sheet. Okay, what is sheet? Let us learn a bit in a bit later. So this is rows, A, B, C, D, all these are rows. And what are the columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you go to the left, let us remember it's top and left where we have the row and column numbers. So top shows us the rows and left shows us the columns. So here if you see A, B, C, D, they are rows, and 1, 2, 3, 4 they are columns. So now suppose which are the actually conjunction is suppose cell. What is the cell? The cell is suppose, for example, here D4, do you see? Here the cell number will be also shown. So any conjunction is called cell. Each every here, right, if you see each grid, suppose where the akshat is written is in a cell, and the cell there is a number, unique number. It is the combination of row and column number. So which row? D. Which column? 4. So it is actually row number and then column number. So where akshat is written in D and then the column is 4. So where 1 is written, C5. These are the cell. And cell values are like D4. What is the value in D4? Oh, akshat. And what is the value in C5? 1. Okay. So this is a called cell. Now cell where I am currently moving, these are called active cells. So right now which is active cell? E4. This is, let me share an example, you may relate to it. Suppose you have gone to the school and you are sitting in the class, third bench, second position, okay, just next to your friend you are sitting. Now some other teacher comes in the class and wants you to stand up, and he does not know your name. So how he is going to call you? So he may call you, the student sitting in the third bench, second position, can you please stand up? So third bench is the column and second position is the row. So definitely what you can say here, it is B2. Again, in Excel they call it row column wise, and in your class they probably call it through the bench and position. It is the 2D, but anyways 2-dimensional things. You don't need to know this in detail right now. So we know now what is row, what is column, what is cell and what is active cell. Okay. Now what is range of cells? This is range of cells. See, whenever I am going to drag, you can click on one active cell and you can drag. This is the area. For example, what is my area of the school fee sheet document? This is my area. See, from A1 to let's take till here. 1 second. Let me take this. So let me remove the border. Now what is the area that I have? A1 to H6. Okay, so the range of A1 to H6 is my range of cells. Range of cells means these are going to be my required cells. See, this document is going to have n number of cells, right? But I may not need entire thing. Okay, so I need to know which is going to be my work area. This is my work area, and colon means 2 in here. It means A1 to H6. So in Excel, it does not understand the English word 2 kind of, it actually understands colon. So when you give this, it will understand this is the range of cells. So suppose I want to give the range of cells as only student names. So it is D3 to D6. If you see, this is my range starting cell, that is D3. 2, that is colon, to Moti. Moti is staying in D6. So this is the range of cells for my student names. Somewhat understanding? If you are not understanding, go back and try to rewind this video again. You will understand slowly. Do not worry about it. Okay. Now think of it. Suppose one copy you are writing in a book or notebook. Okay. Now the page is somehow done, or whatever you wanted to write is done. So what you are going to do? Or suppose you are creating few sections. Okay. So this is a sheet in Excel document. This is the fee sheet, for example. If you are going to double click here, this is called the below. On the left side of the below, you will be able to see sheet 1. Sheet 1 is nothing but each page is called here sheet. It's same as notebook. So here what I am going to do, if you double click on the name, you are fine to rename it. See, I renamed it to fee. Okay, now I may want to go to the marks. So here if you see, just beside the right side of the fee, you will be seeing a plus sign. The plus sign says it is for new sheet. So you can click on it and you will be getting a new sheet. It is, see, it is the entire new. And here suppose you want to double click again in the name sheet 2, and you can make it a marks sheet or something of your choice. So what is this? This is the fee document, a fee sheet of the document, and this is the marks of the document. Now if you can see here, these are quite the size is quite zoomed in. These are showing very clearly, whereas if you go to marks sheet, you will be finding very small rows, right? So what are we going to do? Now this is the left side, bottom left for sheets, right? And now go to bottom right. If you go to bottom right, you will find a scale. Here you can zoom out and zoom in. If you see 80%, 100%, 110, I can make it plus, and it will basically show you more zoomed in way. And if you want to, if you click on the minus, it will zoom out, and you can adjust the way you want your view. Suppose this is a comfortable view, for example. So I'll keep it to 180%, if you can see. Or suppose someone says no, it is too large size, I would like to make it 120%. It is up to you how you want to change the scale of the zooming in. Nothing changes, just the zoom in and zoom out changes. It's like, you are holding your copy a bit far and you are holding your copy a bit closer to yourself. Okay. So hope we could be clear on the basics of row and column. Let's move to the next video.